7 massive highlights of Sushant's case hearing in Supreme Court. Highlight number 1. Centre accepts CBI probe request by Bihar government. Highlight number 2. Supreme Court rejects interim protection for Rhea. Highlight number 3. Supreme Court directs all parties to file replies within 3 days in Rhea's plea, which will be heard after a week. Highlight number 4. Supreme Court says Sushant died in unusual circumstances. Highlight number 5. Supreme Court says quarantine of Officer Vinay Tiwari doesn't send a good message. Highlight number 6. Supreme Court directs Mumbai Police to file status report of the investigation. Highlight number 7. During the hearing in Supreme Court, Sushant's father's lawyer said that Maharashtra police are destroying the evidence. The Supreme Court of India heard Rhea Chakraborty's plea today, जहां उन्होंने request की है that the FIR filed against her by Sushant's family to be transferred from Patna to Mumbai. Rhea, who's facing multiple allegations by Sushant's family, had said in a video earlier that she trusts the legal system to give her justice. There have been some dramatic developments in the Sushant Singh Rajput case in the Supreme Court of India. The central government has accepted the Bihar government's request recommending a Central Bureau of Investigation inquiry into Sushant Singh Rajput's demise. The court was informed of this decision by the Solicitor General who appeared before the court today. The Supreme Court, which was hearing Rhea's petition requesting a transfer of the case from Patna to Mumbai, was critical of the fact that a senior Bihar police officer was quarantined after he arrived to lead the investigation into Sushant's demise. The Apex Court has also denied Rhea's lawyer's request for a protective order, which means that the Bihar police can now question Rhea as a part of their investigation. The court has also directed all the concerned parties to file their replies, and a fresh hearing on the matter will be held next week. बिहार गवर्नमेंट कई दिनों से सुशांत के केस में सीबीआई इंक्वायरी की मांग कर रही है, क्योंकि उनका कहना है कि मुंबई पुलिस इस केस की ठीक तरह से जांच नहीं कर पा रही है. The Bihar Chief Minister had said in social media posts earlier. The state government has sent its recommendation for a CBI inquiry into the case filed by Mr. K.K. Singh, the father of late Sushant Singh Rajput. The actor's father spoke to the DGP and gave his consent for a CBI probe. Since he had lodged an FIR with Bihar police, we could not have recommended a CBI inquiry. Now that he has consented, I have asked the DGP to complete all formalities today, and the government will send its recommendation today itself. Sushant's father, Mr. K.K. Singh, had filed an FIR in Patna, following which a team of Bihar police have been stationed in Mumbai, carrying out a parallel inquiry into the case. The Bihar police have been following a separate path from the earlier accusations of nepotism and lobbying, driving the actor to an extreme step, investigating Sushant's rumored girlfriend Rhea Chakraborty instead. Rhea has been accused by Sushant's family of misappropriating his funds, giving him incorrect medication, distancing him from his family, and causing him mental harassment. Rhea has filed a petition in the Supreme Court asking that the investigation against her be transferred from Patna to Mumbai. Her lawyer had said in a statement, "There cannot be a transfer of a case which had no legal basis. To begin with, for the Bihar police to get involved. At the most, it would be a zero FIR which would then be transferred to Mumbai police." The Bihar Director General of Police, Gupteshwar Pandey, has defended the state government's decision because of alleged inaction by the Mumbai police. What was Mumbai police doing these 50 days? They were not cooperating with our police. When Bihar Home Secretary phoned his Maharashtra counterpart, he would not answer the call. All channels of communication were blocked. We doubt your intentions. The court has to still announce their decision on Ria's plea, but with a CBI inquiry approved, ये केस एक बहुत गंभीर रूप ले रहा है और ये वक्त ही बताएगा कि आखिर उनके दुखद देहांत के पीछे का सच क्या है।